Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. Let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4 hour, we were short from last week from here. If you haven't seen my previous analysis review, the video link is given in the video description. So today morning, once the market opened, we have this breakout short trade here. After the breakout, we have a couple of pullbacks. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, and let me make it bigger. Okay, so you can see here at the market open, after the market open, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, based on the 4 hour, we had a beautiful breakout short trade here. And afterwards, once the price hit to the profit target, which is a red fib channel, price developed a double bottom and was about to break the previous high. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait for the market open in the London morning. So as you can see here, just before the London open market, I explained to my trader, price developed a sideways market and price came back to the previous level, 4 hour, which is broken. So technically we were expecting a pullback, but price developed a sideways market. We have a false breakout, as you can see here, and that's give us the confirmation. Look for the another breakout short trade. Price nicely developed another breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback, as you can see here. Beautiful, another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Beautiful trade, and say let's wait for the market open. Or buy sentiment was bearish, as you can see here. Afterwards, price came back here, and at the New York session, I did another analysis. This was the previous high, which you can see here. The price broken. And after the price breakout and price retest, you can see here that give us the confirmation. But safest way to look for this breakout, price broken, another beautiful, as soon as the price hit to this support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. We have another amazing trade, short trade here from here to here in New York session, and bank amazing profit. And afterwards, once the price start developing in inverted head and shoulder pattern, as you can see here, price develop another inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's what did another symmetric triangle pattern. Price nicely broken. After the breakout, price develop another pullback. That give us the confirmation. So let's see. And as soon as the price hit to this level, which is previously broken, and explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, so you can see here how we analyze market in intraday. Even we can see in 4 hour, not big move, but we manage beautiful pips on intraday. Alright guys, let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar in 4 hour chart, as you can see here, we were being short from last week. If you haven't seen, the video link is given in the description. So at the market open, we have this beautiful breakout short trade here, and we had amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. And if you look at the intraday system, and if you look at this at the market open, we have this beautiful short trade here, this consolidation. As after the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback, bank few PPs at the market open. And at the London morning session, exactly more or less the same pattern. Price develop a false breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken the previous low, as you can see here, as mentioned in the analysis. Beautiful after this breakout. Beautiful breakout. As soon as the price broken the previous low, after the retest, another pullback. So we have amazing short trade on pound dollar, bank amazing profit. And as you can see here, after banking some profit, price develop a sort of like a sideways market. As you can see here, explain to my trader, as you can see at this level, and this is high and this is low. If the price gonna break, then we're going to take a trade. Otherwise, momentum is bearish, trend is bearish, so keep taking a pullback. We announce all these pullbacks through live video commentary, and also announce this one, bank amazing profit, another one. And at the New York session, as you can see here, I did another analysis. Price develop a sideways market, as you can see here in 4 hour, and as you can see here, price nicely, as mentioned here, pullback here. Price develop another pullback, another breakout, another after the breakout pullback. as soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band, as you can see at the Bollinger Band, and plus at the fib channel, and that's what I explained. As soon as the price broke on the previous low, explaining my trader to it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, price reversed. Then I did another analysis, look for another pullback. As you can see here, technically another symmetry triangle pattern breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain to bank some profit. As you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour and bank amazing profit in intraday through live intraday analysis. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. As you can see here, this morning we also had this short trade here, bank some profit. Afterwards, once we see the price reverse, we have this rejection, price develop another strong bearish candle, and we have taken all these pullbacks. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday and refine entries and exit. If you look at the market open, we have this breakout short trade here, as you can see here at this level, short trade here, bank after the breakout, pullback, beautiful pips as mentioned on the analysis. And after banking some profit, once the price develop high, low and high, explain to my trader, look for this breakout, another breakout. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And as soon as the price is reversed, that's what I explained to most of the trader was thinking we should be taking a short trade here. That's what I explained to my trader, this is the level, low and high. If the price is gonna break, and when the price reached to this level, as you can see, it was about to break the previous low level. That's what I did analysis, look for this price, if the price is going to respect. As you can see here, price nicely respected, breakout, long trade here, another long trade here, and then explain to my trader, as long as the price stay above this level, we should be keep taking a pullback, because we have rejection in 4 hour at the 200 EMA, and that was a beautiful pullback, breakout, pullback. And even at the New York session, I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, the price nicely broke on the previous high as mentioned in the analysis. After the breakout, another pullback. As you can see, momentum was bullish, another pullback. We announced all these pullbacks through live audio commentary, and once the price hit to the previous high in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you have seen how we analyze market in 4 hour and how we analyze entries and exit through intraday system, and not just analyzing it, we also produce all these opportunities based on the analysis through live audio commentary, which help traders to bank amazing profit and not to miss any trade opportunity. Alright guys, as always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can learn forex trading in real time through live intraday analysis and with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded for platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.